Say good morning, Reg. Good morning, Reg. Hey everyone, it's Black Woman Farmer here, and I wanted to show you my newest soap. It is a baking soda and lemon soap for pH balance. I formulated this soap about 2 months ago. It is rock solid and it is finally ready for sale. But I'm sure you are curious as to see how it lathers. So here we go. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, this is beautiful. Very silky texture. Tiny bubbles. It smells so good because of the lemon. And the baking soda is used to gently clean and deodorize your most sensitive parts. And this is what it does to your lady parts. Just a nice gentle clean. And of course, this is made chemical free. No parabens or phthalates. Just real all natural ingredients, including tallow, which is so beneficial to your skin, especially down there where you need the gentlest of cleansers. And this is how it washes. It feels good too, very silky. This is how it washes. Very clean. It doesn't feel tight or dry. This soap is beautiful. Well, you guys, that is my baking soda and lemon yoni soap, and it is available at long last on my Etsy shop for sale. Order yours today. And look at my skin. No dryness. Excellent. All right, guys. I will see you in the next video. Now you can make delicious sourdough bread right from the comfort of your own home. And it all begins with my dehydrated sourdough starter. Only available at Black Woman Farmer on Etsy.com.